It's definitely a huge aspect of my life. It's so important to me. Yeah, it's wonderful. Hi, I'm Kirsten and I'm the Chief Wingwalker at Aerosuperbatics. We'd get too cold if we just stayed on top of the wing the whole time. So we start off sat in the cockpit and then we climb up to the top wing and strap ourselves in while it's flying. And then in our show we do handstands, we go on our sides, we do lots of waving and leg lifts and stuff. We also do moves where we unstrap from the harness, sit on the front of the wing and wave to the crowd. And while we're doing that, the plane does like loop-the-loops and rolls and stuff. And we are a formation team, so usually there's another aircraft next to us doing the same thing. So the first time I went up on top of the plane was my job interview for here. So it was quite an unusual job interview, and it was actually a very, very cold day. It was in January and it was after it had been snowing. So I went up and it was absolutely freezing. But as soon as I took off, it was just the most amazing feeling. And then as soon as I got down, I called my mum and I was like, I have to get this job because I don't know what I'm gonna do if I don't get it, because I just love that so much. Like, I just want to do it every day. And yeah, I was so privileged to get to do that. I think about how no one else actually gets to see like places in the same way that I do. There's been times where I've just been like, this is such a special view and I'm the only one that gets to see it from like just stood on top of the plane. Also, I love doing all the aerobatics and loop-the-loops, sort of going through the positive and negative G on your body. It's like being on the best roller coaster ever, basically. But my favourite part is like climbing around the aircraft, because it just feels like you can do anything when you can do that. It is the best feeling. We went to the Gobi Desert. There was this sunset every night and it was like rainbow sky. We were doing like loop-the-loops. It was amazing. It was honestly so cool. There's a few different reactions, so you get a lot of people being like, what is that? Some people are like, I would never do that, and some people are just like, that's amazing. Some don't believe you. Sometimes I have to get photos up and be like, no, seriously, this is me.